Hello everyone, my name is Dakota Zell, one of the physical therapists at Nevada Physical Therapy. And today I wanted to review the pendulum exercise with you. The pendulum exercise is a great exercise to start getting some passive motion through your shoulder post-surgery. For the purpose of this video, we're going to say that my left shoulder was the side that I had surgery on, and my right shoulder is my non-involved side. For this exercise, you're going to want to pick a table or platform height that's roughly maybe around hip height. You don't want it to be too high or too low. So to start this exercise, you're going to support yourself with your non-involved side, so in this case my right shoulder. Typically I recommend either going a straight arm position or a bent elbow position. The goal of this exercise is to relax your shoulder as best you can to not use any muscle activity. You're going to want to use your body to create the movement. So in this case I'm doing counterclockwise. We can do clockwise. We can go left and right, and forward and back. So a few errors that I typically see with this exercise is using too much of your muscles to create the movement and not using enough of your body to create the movement. So it becomes more of an active exercise. What this looks like is now we are just creating the movement without our body moving. As for how many reps per of those movements, I would recommend around 20 circles or left and right and forward and backward swings. Remember, it's really important to use your body to create the movement and not use your muscles to create the movement. Again, my name is Dakota Zell, one of the physical therapists at Nevada Physical Therapy. Thanks for watching.